Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. As Jamaica grapples with a growing shortage of burial space, local authorities in St. Catherine are taking steps to expand and modernize cemeteries, even as cremation gains ground as an alternative. More in this report. In life, land is precious, and in death, it's becoming even more so. St. Catherine, one of the island's fastest growing parishes, is now feeling the squeeze as burial space runs dangerously low. Against that backdrop, ground was broken for new developments at the LLoyd cemetery in Kitson town. The move is part of a broader push to create more room for the departed while improving conditions for the living.
The land settlements, they have owned quite a number of cemeteries throughout the island. And what they have done in a couple of years ago is to turn over these cemeteries to the municipal corporations. Of course, this is one such. And we recognize that this cemetery has a lot of use, has a lot of space. And so today we are here to break ground for a sanitary convenience.
That sanitary convenience, a long-needed restroom facility, is expected to be completed by the end of June. But that's just the beginning.
And we're going to be operating it similar to how Thetford operates. So we're going to be building the tombs, the graves, and resell them. This area that we are now under construction, where we're breaking ground, we intend to also have a little area, a little shed area, where people can convert. We're gonna put out a nice little fence with the parish council's logo, and to say that this is the LLoyd Cemetery, St. Catherine Municipal Corporation.
A structured approach to burial designed to maximize every square foot at a time when space is no longer a given.
St. Catherine is now running out of land space for burial. Right? Not too many persons again want to bury loved one on their private property. So having this upgrading and having this being taken care of, it's a plus to the community, and I'm sure the community is looking forward to be part of this, of the cemetery development.
Michael Archer is councillor for the Red Hills Division in St. Catherine.
On the North Coast, actually, cemeteries down there, most cemeteries down there full. And most persons now leaving the West, leaving on the North Coast and bring their loved one here back to St. Catherine for burial. So as a result of that, we are also utilizing most of the space here in St. Catherine with burial.
It's a ripple effect being felt across the island, with families transporting loved ones across parishes just to find a final resting place. The initiative follows the recent opening of the Metarest crematorium, which offers a solution that doesn't require land, just acceptance.
It is a public education that is needed in Jamaica. Land is not infinite, and so we are running out of land space, and the avenue of cremation is something that we have to look at, and it is why the next project for Thetford will be a columbarium where persons can put their urn and at a fee.